Among the top visionaries of Bengaluru was Dr. M.S. Ramaiah, who pioneered the growth of professional education in India. All the outstanding institutions were established under M.S. Ramaiah Foundation that was conceived and established by Dr. M.R. Pattabhiram with the same set of core values and principles imbibed from his charismatic father, Dr. M.S. Ramaiah. Dr. Pattabhiram says, the M.S. Ramaiah Foundation group of institutions are centers of excellence, imparting quality education by developing competent, skilled human resources to face the scientific, technological, managerial, legal, and social challenges in the fast evolving global scenario with a high degree of credibility, integrity, ethical standards, and social concern.
Quality education, which is the focus of Ramaiah Institute of Management Studies, is because of the dedicated, qualified faculty members we have. Faculty members are drawn from both academics as well as industry who impart a practical exposure and knowledge to the students. This is because of this, the students are well trained and they are ready to meet the industry demands. And the modern pedagogy, the current syllabus, making the student industry ready all the time, these are the focus points of education in Ramaiah, which is going to make each and every student stand out as a polished diamond when they exit the portals of Ramaiah.
Ramaiah Institute of Management Studies offers state-of-the-art contemporary and dynamic curriculum with equal emphasis on knowing, doing, and being. The institute has dedicated faculty, applied research, relevant outreach activities, and a recognized research center.
I think this is a good opportunity to be here. The faculties are really good. They have a really good experience, and all of them have come from a good industrial background. So that's why I chose Ramaiah.
The day I joined this college, I was exposed to a whole new world of college. Every week you have an industrial visit. Every week you have a guest lecturer coming to teach you. Every week we get something new to learn in the college.
The communication skills, the presentation skills, everything improves just within a few months after joining the course. The faculties also really help us improve a lot without even hesitating even once to help us in any kind of situations.
As a logical extension to Ramaiah Institute of Management Studies is the Ramaiah International Finishing School, or RIFS. This is the first of its kind endeavor that has been started with the vision of enhancing employment amongst fresh graduates, imparting world-class business skills to sustained performance and career success, and to meet the ever-growing industry demands at the entry level.
We've been supported by this program called RIFS, which provides us with efficient faculty who teaches us and involves us in group discussions, who helps us in Excel, aptitude, which helps me face the outside world. So right now, I think I'm confident enough to go face the outside world as it is.
Programs offered in Ramaiah Institute of Management Studies. We have 4 programs, among which 2 are dual certification courses. So the first one I would like to tell you is PGPM. That's an autonomous program which has been combined with PGDM, which is an AICTE approved program, which means it's an IMA program, 2 years full-time management course. The second one is PGPM combined with Bangalore Central University, that's postgraduate and diploma. So again, it's a 2 years full-time management course. And the third one, we are having PGDM, which is an AICTE approved program. It's a standalone course where 2 years the student will be focusing towards PGDM and certified by IMA. And the last program is MBA, which is affiliated to Annamalai University, which the program itself is called as Industry Integrated Program, which means the more or less focuses towards the practical part where the student gets 6 months of internship for the duration of 2 years. Along with the regular courses, students do get the opportunity where a student can opt for global programs. So a student also get an advantage where he or she can get the global exposure, as we have a global residential programs offered along with the regular courses.
The institute conducts foreign tours to top institutes and universities for equipping the students with global exposure. All this has made the Ramaiah Institute of Management Studies and Ramaiah International Finishing School the destination of top companies like S&P Global, Tata AIG, Deloitte, Blue Star, Byju's, Capital First, EY, Toyota, Oyo, Syska, to name a few.
100% placement record is not new to us. Our average package would go between 5 to 6 lakhs, and our highest would go anywhere between 10 to 15 and 10 and 15. So basically you can see that we have been performing very consistently. And the other thing, the question remains that how are we able to achieve this kind of a placement? What is it that we do that is different? The first thing that we do is we identify what is the need of the student, what is the skill gap from the very first day he joins. And that enables us to tailor the training program and all the other interface with the faculties and support staff to enable this individual to achieve better results in skill and knowledge and also in attitude.
The world is fast changing, and we at Ramaiah Institute of Management Studies and Ramaiah International Finishing School are in sync with the changes and the future. Welcome to Ramaiah Institute of Management Studies and Ramaiah International Finishing School. Welcome to the future.